Per un pelo. Ho fatto la cosa. Ho detto, boh, vedi, era culo, eh. Sai che c'ha filmato? Forza Italia!
Che filmi? Vai!
Picture was filmed in 1921. During the year, Michael Saddam will start at 50. A shopping mall in this area.
Ecco lì dove ci sono i bambini, no? Eccoli lì, che volevi
On the
visitare.
right side, you can see the monument for the
Vedi che sono le orme dei
children who
bambini.
killed
Una fa un
during the
simbolo.
last siege. During that war, 5 days.
E vorrei vietato, nel 47.
Okay, so now now on the right side, that's the chimney.
Ah, vedi?
The last war,
Papà.
and that's why today
Sì, questo era... No, quello è anche là, questo è il vecchio. Dov'era? Papa Francesco qui.
7, Pope John Paul II. Cemeteries right next to each other. The Orthodox cemetery and this Orthodox and this translation was the man of the Austrian government. He was from Serbia, excellent organization. Tuberculosis. He was sick even before he test for this. And in Bosnia was 2 nights. So Bosnia and Serbia and Federations are destroyed. The Ottoman Empire, Russian and German Empire were destroyed after the First World War. So many Russians were not active.
E dopo alla fine pensavo non si paghi, è arrivato il tempo lo stesso. Questa è l'ambasciata americana, quella lì. Vedi la bandiera.
So these other republics, the left side first the food, medications, and also the weapons. We have a beautiful view of the city of meaning, but this is Sarkovic.
Super Sarajevo. Super. Sole, questo, controluce. Super. Sarajevo here. We are the first time in Sarajevo, and I say it's so beautiful. Very.
It is the gold bridge.
Sarajevo,
The legend
beautiful.
why it was a cold jump.
Yes, yes.
We also able to see the flag on the right side. In front of us, the building of the city hall in 1893. So this city hall was for the building for the government, but after the World War II was destroyed completely, pushed in the fire as well. On the left side you can see the famous fountain called Erin. Manifested hopefully, and we can see this cathedral of Sarajevo called Big Heart of Jesus Christ. Now we can see it from the back side. It was built in 1889 in Romantic and neo-Gothic elements, which was
Ok Bosnia, ok Italia, super, number one. Ciao.
A beautiful city, a beautiful, all beautiful.
A beautiful people.
Beautiful food, very good food.
Good Cerati.
because of its specific color.
Primi siamo noi.